Oh! Oh!
Slow and steady. Yeah. Slow and steady. Don't go crazy.
Nice one, dude. Put that thing in the boat.
Nice one.
Come in. There we go, dude.
Jacob, did I tell you to step on?
Yeah.
That's key.
It's definitely a keeper.
Keeper? Sweet. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We back on the water, working on our sea legs. So the real question is, will seasick get seasick? Let's find out. No help for me, Christian.
All right, Christian. All right, man.
Oh, this was kind of... Mic check. Ah, damn it. Come here. Stop it. You better stop. Oh, you bastard. Gotta get one before Chris. Yep.
Okay guys, let's get some baits out there. You're going to want to be fairly active right now. A lot of fish up in the chum there. See if they want to really get with it. Sit here for a little bit. 42 feet down on the bottom, rocky stuff down there. Scattered fish all through here. Looks like mostly bass up in the chum. But we've got a reasonable shot of getting some on the bottom of the dropper loop or right up on the top fly line south. So sea lines leave us alone here and we can get things biting. Hopefully it's a keeper fish in the mix. Make sure you're changing your bait often. Nice fresh lively bait is going to get bit a lot better than the dead one. Make sure you're hooking properly. If you need any help with that stuff, you know, get. Let's get them out there and see if we can get some keepers.
Yeah.
Going out. There we go.
No.
You can come over me.
Yep. Can be dropping straight down, I guess.
Well, it just depends. You know, if they're biting on the surface,
Uh-oh.
change over. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Eating up?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a small one. Oh, God. Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a real fish right there. Oh, God. Did you see that? Chad saw it.
Oh, there we go. Oh, my God. Oh, he's on there. It's itty bitty. Itty bitty.
Right?
Yep.
Fuck that stern shit.
Oh, bastard.
What'd you do? Farm one?
Yeah, he didn't take it. Missed the bite. You saw that.
I saw that.
Took my bait. Let's get a lively one.
Saw that, right? Oh, I see them. Oh!
Oh my God.
What is it?
A whitefish?
Big sheephead. You want that?
Yeah, net.
Sheephead.
Nice one, Howard.
Nice.
Was that on the RF?
Oh.
What you see was an RF? Radio frequency? No, it's
Howard, what station are you catching them on?
high noon. Broke my hook. There you go. All right, screw that.
Oh, I got a barracuda. Little cuda. Yeah. What's the legal size on them?
28 inches.
28, that's what I thought. Why don't you eat the fish, Howard?
Huh?
Why don't you eat the fish?
It's not that I don't eat the fish. It's what it is.
You catch too many? Going up! Oh, come on now. Let's get something fly lining, baby.
Are you fly lining?
Well, with the lightweight, light sinker.
Just barely short, guys.
Take a barracuda. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Might another barracuda. Nice, it's a little calico.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Have a measure.
You-
It might be a keeper.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, sorry about that, yo.
Going out with it. Good cast, okay. Got here with a dive with Alexa, baby. We need something legal. Ah. So you on it? Oh, he's on there. Ooh, okay, come here. It seemed like a teenager. Oh.
Me? No, you
I
got a
thought-
fish. Watch out. You're good. I'm like, damn, I just want to get someone like that.
And another one. See, this is short, right? It looks short.
Yeah, I want to show them.
I got it. Getting a lot of shorts, but still fun. How many you got, Chris? Oh, I'm almost legal. I'm gonna have to get me one of those.
Not bad.
Oh, okay.
Getting better. Change your bait. Every time you put it in
Oh, that's
the water.
change it.
Come on, George. You're working on it?
Oh! Oh!
Slow and steady. Yeah. Slow and steady. Don't go crazy. Going out there, George. I don't think that's a bad. There you go.
Nice one, dude.
Right,
Put that thing in the boat.
nice
Flip
one.
him in.
Nice
Flip him in. There we go, dude.
Jacob, did I tell you to step on it? That's a keeper.
It's definitely a keeper.
Keeper? Sweet. Gotta keep at least one fish.
Thing's a chunk, dude.
Jacob,
Yes, sir.
is your nickname Seasick?
Yeah.
Is that what it's
Yeah.
What number are you?
What number am I, Chris?
No.
What do you?
Check in with Jack, okay?
Okay. I think I still need a bag. Jacob.
Jacob, okay,
Yeah.
cool. I'm going to mark it down, and you're going to be number 16, all right?
All right,
You're
16.
going to have a tab because I'm going to mark the bag price on there.
Okay.
I'll bring you your number.
Nickname is Seasick.
What's the limit on calico?
5.
5? What about sand bass?
So it's a total of 5 bass. Combined.
Okay.
Only 4 of which can be sand bass.
Which one would you say tastes better? Or are they about the same?
I'd say calico. I prefer calico myself, but
Hey, Howard.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
there you go.
Oh, thank you.
I saw it. That was a kipper. It's not a keeper, it's a kipper.
It's a kepper. It's already kept.
You gotta talk to
Yeah.
this fucking lingo shit don't get it. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. Chris, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? He doesn't know.
You don't know.
He don't know what I'm
You
saying.
don't know, huh? Right?
Oh. I think it was over the rocks. Oh, sheep's head. Them teethuses on that one. Another calico. There you go. Going out. Oh. Oh, I'm pulling this one. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, give this guy a measure. He's pretty close.
All right, I'll take him if you make it. 16.
16.
Yeah, I see how you grab them. Thanks. Yeah. And that's just the best way to release them without harming them, right? Or give them a better chance of.
Yeah, and then if they choke it too, then like the
Yeah.
mouths are open, you go underneath and like
Right,
twist
right.
it the opposite way. But I don't know, I'm a really big believer on it because like if I lip every single one,
Right.
my thumb will be so
Right,
every
yeah.
single day at work. You know?
Yeah. A barracuda? Oh, nice calico. Oh, nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anybody for lunch, guys? Anybody for lunch? Cheeseburgers, hamburgers. Cheeseburger and 8. Yep, I said now. Oh, that's a different person. Anybody else, guys? Lunch, cheeseburger, hamburger.
No thanks.
Bass?
Yeah. Oh. On the fall. Oh.
Take long.
Didn't take long. Caught him on the fall.
Get out your way here.
Sandy. Oh, calico.
Hey, dude.
Ooh.
Howard, you suck.
What do you think of this?
Oh, he looks pretty big. I don't know if he's how long.
Oh, got you?
Good, yeah.
Damn. On the A rig.
Yeah, that's crazy.
He's throwing back. He still got to measure them. Do they taste better when they're smaller or bigger?
Same.
Huh.
Such a pretty bass.
All right, so honestly, there was a few more hours of fishing, but it really was the same thing. Drop down, cast out, come back with a small or medium-sized calico bass. And we also ran into some barracuda. Nothing legal, but we did get some barracuda. I was the only one in my group keeping fish today, so I left with 4 calico and 1 sheep's head and a sculpin, courtesy of Howard today. So thank you for that. So like usual, at the end of the day, they'll go ahead and clean your fish. They'll either fillet them or gut and gill them. I usually go with gutting and gilling, and I'll do the rest at home.
So first up is this calico. I mean, I've never eaten a calico before. So we're gonna find out what these things taste like together.
So when it comes to filleting a fish, I'm no pro. So I try to take my time, and I always know the best thing to do is have a really sharp knife and take your time, for those that are less experienced. So that's what I do. So I went ahead and filleted all these fish. This was my first time, at least that I can remember, trying calico bass. And the fillets I got off was pretty good. I also have some sheep's head in the freezer. So I brought that out here with me. I vacuum sealed it. And I decided to chop it up into smaller pieces and make some ceviche with it. I wanted to try it out with my family to get, multiple opinions about sheephead in general. This is my first time having it, so I wanted to try it with the family. So I'm dicing it all up, preparing it for some ceviche, and I also cut some bigger pieces to fry and see what that tastes like.
All right, so we got our sheep's head all diced up. Now we're just gonna cut up some lime and drop the juice in there.
Now, while the lime juice percolates with the fish in the refrigerator, I'll dice up all the vegetables, put them in a bowl, and get it ready to come out. I was advised to at least let the fish sit for at least about 30 minutes, and then I figured I'd add the vegetables after that.
You can see the fish starting to turn. So now let's go ahead and add our vegetables.
So I pretty much just continued to fry the fish, which turned out pretty good. I tried the calico bass. Now, I was surprised. I was not expecting it to be as good as it was. I had never tried it before that I can remember. And I feel like I had it once upon a time, a long time ago, but it was a big calico. And for whatever reason, I don't remember liking it. But now that I tried it again, this was pretty damn delicious. And the ceviche, I could have did a better job on it, but it was okay. The sheep's head, I fried that up too. And the sculpin was pretty delicious. And the sheep's head was pretty good too. It wasn't my favorite, but it was still pretty good.